To enable or disable triple tap screen to magnify in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision. Scroll down. Tap Magnifier window. Tap triple tap screen to magnify. Tap triple tap screen to magnify, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.